Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who That Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am so glad you're back. Thank you for always coming back and watching these videos and also leaving me a comment. I appreciate you. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step tutorial. If you want to dance with me to the music, watch till the end and click right here and we can dance together. Guys, I see you. I see your reservation for the NOLA Southern Experience, the 4-day line dance weekend. If you have not heard about it, please check it out. It is July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. To find out the details about the event itself, to book your room, and you register also, visit our website at www.liunola.com. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. So this dance is called Encore. I like this dance, instructors, because this is a beginner's dance, but also what I like about this dance is it teaches your beginners to do a 3/4 turn and a half turn, okay? And it's kind of different because you have to cross over the body, okay? So sometimes I'll look at a dance, might not be a popular dance, but it'll have a step in there that'll teach your student a skill, a dance skill, a new dance skill that they can learn from. Also, this dance is easy to cue and call out. You don't really have to stop and teach it, and it'll keep your class moving, okay? So let's check it out. So we're gonna start here at this wall. I'm gonna go to the right, left, triple step. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right. So my last step is on the right. And I'm gonna do a sailor on the left and a sailor step on the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? So let's put it together. Right, left, triple step, a left sailor step, and a right sailor step. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, triple step, left, right, left, right. My last step is on the right. Now I'm going to take this same step and do it on the left side with the left foot. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So I move to my left. Left, right, left, right, left. The last step was on the left, and I do a right sailor and a left sailor. Right, left, right, left. So far, what we do on the right, we do on the left. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left sailor, right sailor. Step left, right, left, right sailor, and left sailor, okay? Now, we're at this wall. The dance move counterclockwise. It's a 4-wall dance. So we're going to cross over and we're going to pivot 3/4. Step, pivot, quarter. All right? So we cross over with the right and pivot forward with our right shoulder coming forward, 3/4 turn. So, for beginners, how you know what's the shortcut in knowing what's a 3/4 turn? Whatever wall is to your right. So when you make a 3/4 turn, more than likely you're going to take the scenic route, the long way. It's the opposite way of where you want to go. Your wall is right here, but you're going this way, a 3/4 turn. If you go this way, it's a 1/4 turn. So you cross over with the right leg and just pivot. Okay? Then you do a shuffle, a cha-cha-cha, right, left, right. Then you step, pivot half, and do a left, right, left. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we do a 3/4 and we do a half. And you start it by crossing over. 1, 2, and shuffle on your right. 3 and 4. Step forward on your left. Pivot half with the left shoulder coming forward. Half turn. Left, right, left. So then you go into the wall to your right. With your right leg, shoulder come forward, right shoulder come forward, 3/4, and do a cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Step pivot half, the wall behind you with a triple step. Left, right, left. Okay? And that is our wall. And we're going to finish up with a few more steps, and that's the end of the dance. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7. Move right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Step pivot 1/4, 3/4, right, step pivot half, left, right, left. 3/4 turn. Not a quarter, 3/4 turn. From here, we're going to do something like a push and pull. So step forward on your right, go right, left, right, left. And we're going to end with the sailor on the right and the sailor on the left. Right, left, right, left. Now, we started here at this wall. It's a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So, once you've identified this wall, you already know what's your next wall. Okay, it's going to be to the left. Always to the left. Now, let's do it back. Go back to the top and put the count to it. 5, because it's a 32 count. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sailor 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Left 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. 3/4. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, half 5, 6, 7, and 8. Push and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, sailor 5 and 6, 7, and 8. And there you go. That's called encore. Old school dance, okay? From here, you go back to the top. Moving to your right with your sailor step. Moving to your left with your sailor step. Step pivot 1/4. Let's do it here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see me without looking back to the camera. So let's do it again from this wall. So from this wall here, I already know when I do my 3/4 turn, my right shoulder coming forward to go to this wall here. But I'm taking the scenic route. My right shoulder coming forward, so I'm going towards my left. Then I make a half turn looking at the camera, because this is going to be my next wall. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. All right, before we do that, stand on this side of the room. Let's do this. Since we know the dance, let's start on this wall here. Okay, let's go to the right. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Step pivot 3/4, right, step pivot half, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Don't forget that push and pull. Right, left, right, left, left. This was my wall here. Now I went to this wall here. So I already know this is my next wall. Your dance move kind of clockwise. I also know my 3/4 turn is this wall here with my right shoulder going forward, okay? So from here, 5, 6, 7, move right. Right, left, left, right, left, right. Step left, right, left, left. Step pivot 3/4, right. Step pivot half, left, left. Push, right, left, left. Okay, let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7. So, already know this is my wall with my right shoulder coming forward, making a 3/4 turn. And a half turn is going to be looking at you. I'm going to be looking at you. You're going to be looking back at me. Okay? 5, 6, 7. And the right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right. Go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Step pivot 3/4, right, left, right. Step pivot half, left, right, left. Push, push, pull, push, pull, center. Right, left, right, left. Okay? When I do it again, I go back to this wall here. That's the second rotation. Okay, so I've done all 4 walls. When you go back to the original wall, that's your second rotation. That's a 4-wall dance, encore, moving counterclockwise. Instructors, I love this for your beginner students because it's going to teach them how to make a 3/4 turn and also a half turn, okay? So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know if you're coming to the NOLA Southern Experience. This is our 5th time doing it. We do it every other year. We're celebrating our 10th year extravaganza. All 4 other times we've sold out. So I already know we're going to sell out. I'm just hoping that my regulars get in, okay? Some people have been to every NOLA Southern Experience. If you've never been, ask around. Just ask around. It's a great event. And if you don't have anybody to ask, just take a chance. We're going to take great care of you. The NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. We're getting ready right now. June 1st, 2025, our registration opens. All the details are right there on our app, on our website. And to prevent scams or anything fraudulent, go to our official website to register and to book your room. Do not Google, do not call a hotel. Everything is on our website, www.lyunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.